Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 DIY body masks for if you deal with body acne, whether that's on your shoulders, on your chest, on your back, anywhere on your body. These are going to be DIY masks for you. Body acne is nothing to be ashamed of. I started struggling with body acne when I hit puberty, and I am so happy to say that I really have gotten it under control and it has cleared up so much. Most of the times it is completely clear, but once in a while I do get a breakout here or there. So these are the masks that I like to go for. Most of my acne came on my shoulders and a little bit on my back. That is where I typically struggled with body acne. But yeah, I've done so many DIY face masks. I've also done a video around body acne, so I will link those videos down below. Definitely go check them out. I think you will like those as well. Thumbs up the video if you guys liked it. Share it if you want. And on that note, let's just jump right into the video. The first DIY face mask that I will be sharing is the Rose Lemon Mask. So all you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of rose water, and just take half a lemon and squeeze the juice into the mixture. You want to make sure that you are using fresh lemon juice for this. Once you have both of them in the bowl, you're just going to mix it together, and you will be applying this to the skin with a cotton ball or a cotton round, and this can be applied anywhere you break out on your body, whether it is on your back, on your shoulders, your chest, your arms, wherever it may be. You can apply this mixture. You can keep this on overnight and wash it off in the morning, or you can keep it on for up to half an hour and then rinse it off if you would like. But it is extremely amazing because it helps to kill bacteria leading to acne. The rose water in this mixture is an excellent natural beauty product that not only makes your skin feel fresh, but it gives it a radiant glow. Rose water also contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that contain plenty of antioxidants, making it an ideal product to heal and soothe your skin. And it also naturally maintains the skin's pH balance and tightens pores. While the lemon is extremely great for removing extra oil from the skin, and as well as it helps to kill bacteria that can lead to acne, and it is really great at brightening. So if you have any acne scarring on your body, this is going to help lighten it. Of course, you want to put less lemon juice compared to the rose water, but you are squeezing a little bit of lemon juice into it. You don't want to add too much lemon juice to your skin, of course, but this is just amazing for brightening and removing any acne. The second DIY mask is one of my go-tos, and that is the charcoal mask. And all you're going to need is equal parts of charcoal and water. So I just put 1 tablespoon of charcoal and then 1 tablespoon of water, mixed it all together until it was a paste consistency, and that is it. All you have to do after this is apply the paste onto any acne that you have on your body. Of course, for these masks, I am concentrating it mainly on the shoulders because that is where I typically tend to break out when I do get acne on my body. So that is what I am doing. But before you do apply a body mask, you want to make sure that your body is completely clean. So you want to go ahead and just wash it off to make sure there's no any excess dirt or anything on. So that is what I did before applying the charcoal mask. All you have to do once you apply it onto your body, let it dry, and then you're going to wash it off with some warm water. Activated charcoal is amazing because it removes the toxins by drying out impurities from your pores. Therefore, it helps reduce acne. It saps the sebum out of clogged pores. It prevents pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and it also clears and heals any acne that you may already have. And overall, charcoal is just really great at helping reduce excess oil. And this is definitely one of my go-to masks whenever I start to get a breakout on my body. This is the one that I typically like to go for, and I find is really easy to just do. It is only using 1 ingredient with water, so it's just simple, but it's really effective. And I just find once I use this mask, it really clears up any acne that I have and also prevents further breakouts. So I definitely recommend adding charcoal into your regimen if you do struggle with acne. You can also use this on your face. So if you struggle with acne on your face, charcoal masks are really great for helping to get rid of any pimples, but this is definitely my favorite mask I love to use. And the last DIY body mask is the turmeric and Greek yogurt mask. And all you're going to need is 3 teaspoons of plain Greek yogurt, and then I put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once you put both the turmeric powder and the Greek yogurt into your bowl, you're just going to mix it all together until you have a paste consistency, and then of course you're going to apply it onto your body. For this one, I did add it on my chest, my shoulders, and my back, and you just keep it on up to 30 minutes before washing it away with cool water. Turmeric and Greek yogurt is amazing for the skin. You can also use this on your face as well. Turmeric has amazing benefits because the active ingredients of turmeric are able to effectively fight off the underlying causes of skin inflammation, which may range from oil buildup to bacteria on the skin's surface. And the yogurt is rich in zinc and has anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains probiotics that really help restore your skin's natural barrier. And yogurt does have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that really help prevent breakouts of acne, and it ensures glowing and healthy skin. You want to make sure though, of course, when you are using these masks, you only use one at a time, and you also want to test patch. If you are allergic to dairy, then this is definitely a mask you stay clear from, but I just find turmeric and Greek yogurt really have amazing benefits for the skin. Turmeric is just an amazing ingredient in general. You could even just adding turmeric into your diet is really going to help with even helping acne. So I definitely recommend adding turmeric into your regimen in some way. But this mask is amazing for helping to clear up any body acne you have. If you guys want to see more DIY masks, I have a lot more. I recently also did a shower routine for body acne and dandruff. So if you guys want to see that, I share with you products that I buy that I love, but these are just easy at-home remedies that you can do to really help clear up your body acne. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button to join my family. I upload every single week. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!